Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be going through word problems. So we're going to start off with number 1. If a number is multiplied by 3 and then increased by 4, the result is 22. What is the number? So the first thing you need to do is you need to write out an equation. So let's look at the word problem again. If a number, now when we have if a number, you could choose any letter. So I'm going to choose X. We don't know what the number is, so I'm going to call it X. If a number, which is the unknown, is multiplied by 3 and then increased by 4, the result, meaning the answer, is 22. So let's write it out. X is multiplied by 3, so that's 3x. And then increase, so that's plus 4, is equal to 22. Now we have derived our equation. Next step is to solve the equation to find out what the number is. So if I have plus 4 on the left-hand side, to get rid of positive 4, I'm going to minus 4 on the left-hand side. Therefore, minus 4 on the right-hand side. On the left-hand side, I'm left with 3x equal to 22 subtract 4. Then we have 3x equal to 22 subtract 4 will give me 18. I divide both sides by 3. And so we're going to get left with x equal to 6. So my number is 6, and then we test it. If the number is 6 and I multiply it by 3, I'm going to get 18. Then you increase 18 by 4, you will end up with 22. Okay, let's have a look at number 2. Number 2, the sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 75. Find the numbers. So consecutive means like follow on, like if it was 13, you'd have 13, 14, 15. So in terms of x, it would be x would be your first number. The second number would be x plus 1. The third number would be x plus 2. So we're looking at the first 3. So the first number is x. The second number is x plus 1. And the third number is x plus 2. So let's write it out. Sum means add. So we're going to have x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 75. Now we're going to add our x's together. X plus x plus x is 3x. And 1 plus 2 would give me 3 equal to 75. Now we solve our equation the way we would do with the previous ones. We've got plus 3 here, so we're going to minus 3 on the left-hand side. Therefore, minus 3 on the right-hand side. So here I have 3x equal to 75 subtract 3, which would give me 72. And then I divide both sides by 3. Now when you divide both sides by 3, you're going to have x equal to, let's work that out. X is equal to 3 goes into 7 2 times. Remainder 1, and 3 goes into 12 4 times. So we have x equal to 24. Now we're looking for the numbers, and there are 3 of them. So the first number is 24. The second number is 24 plus 1, which would give me 25. And the third number is your 24 plus 2, which would give me 26. Now, if you add these 3 numbers together, you should get back to 75, and that is correct. 24 plus 25 plus 26 does give me 75. Let's look at another word problem. A mother is 3 times as old as her daughter. In 12 years' time, she'll be twice as old as her daughter. How old is the mother now? So what we need to do here is we need to write it out. So the first thing I would do is, what is my unknown? The unknown is the daughter. The daughter is, we'd call the daughter X in this case. So I'd say here X. The mother is 3 times the age of her daughter, so she would be 3x. In 12 years' time, she will be twice, so the mother will be twice as old as the daughter. So in 12 years' time, the daughter would age 12 years, as well as the mother. They would both age 12 years. So remember to put plus to both the ages. So here we're going to have 3x plus 12 equal to x plus 12. But there's something we've left out here, and let's just look at that part. In 12 years' time, she'll be twice as old as her daughter. So we need to fill that part in. So the mother would be twice as old as the daughter. So on the left-hand side, this is the mother here, and this is the daughter here. And the mother is twice the daughter's age. So let's work that out. We're going to have 3x plus 12 equal to 2 times x, 2 times 12. So that would give me 2x plus 24. So on the left-hand side, we have 3x. On the right-hand side, we have 24. We have 2x on the right-hand side. We need to move the 2x to the left. So we're going to minus 2x on the right-hand side. Therefore, minus 2x on the left-hand side. On the left-hand side, we have 12. And the inverse of 12 is plus 12. It's going to be minus 12 on the left-hand side. Therefore, minus 12 on the right-hand side. 3x minus 2x would give me x. And 24 subtract 12 will give me 12. So who is x? The daughter is x. They want to know how old is the mother now. So the mother is 3 times, she's 3x, so she's 3 times the daughter's age, which is 12. So the mother is 36 years old now. What we need to look at is, they say in 12 years' time, the mother would be twice as old as her daughter. So we can test it. Let's test it on the side just to see. So we're going to just call it a check. Okay, so if we took the daughter's age now, she's 12, and we added 12, we'd end up with 24. If we took them, that's the daughter's age. If we looked at the mother's age, she is now 36. And if I add 12 to her age, she would be 48. And 48 is twice 24. Therefore, in 12 years' time, the mother would be twice the daughter's age. But the question is just asking how old is the mother now, and this is the answer here, which is 36. That was just a check to see that your answer is correct. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, so we're going to look at this particular sum. It says here 3 consecutive even integers are such that the sum of the smaller 2 equals 6 more than the largest one. Find the integers. Okay, the focus here is going to be on consecutive even integers. The previous one was just consecutive integers. So we're going to look at the first integer. Even would be 2x, the second one would be 2x plus 2, and the third one would be 2x plus 4, because we're looking at 3 consecutive even integers. It says, are such that the sum of the 2 smaller, so the 2 smaller ones, sum meaning add, so I'm going to take the first 2, which are these 2 here, and I'm going to add them together. So it's 2x plus 2x plus 2. So the question is, the 3 consecutive even integers are such that the sum of the smaller 2 equals 6 more than the largest one. So the largest one equals 2x plus 4 plus 6. And now we're going to try and solve for x. Okay, so 2x plus 2x would give me 4x plus 2. And on the right-hand side, we're going to have 2x plus 10. So on the left-hand side, we have 4x. On the right-hand side, we have 10. We're going to move plus 2x to the right by minusing 2 on the left-hand side. Therefore, we minus 2 on the right-hand side. We've got 2x on the right-hand side. We're going to minus 2x on the right-hand side. Therefore, minus 2x on the left-hand side. So 4x minus 2x would give me 2x equal to 8. And then divide both sides by 2. And x is equal to 4. So x is 4. So the first is 2x. So 2x is 2 times 4, which would give me 8. The second one is 2x plus 2, and that would be 2 times 4 plus 2, which would give me 10. And the next one's 2x plus 4, which is 2 times 4 plus 4, which would give me 12. So my numbers are 8, 10, 12. Now, if we test what they've said here, and it says that the first two, when you add them together, would be 6 more than the third number, 8 plus 10. So basically 8 plus 10 is 18, and 12 plus 6 would give me 18. So 18 is 6 more than the third value. I hope this made sense to you. Please like and subscribe and follow in my next video.